is Gen Z's most common mistake when they're creating their CV/resume?
You guys do not know how to quantify your achievement properly.
What does that mean?
Do you think your CV/resume showcases your full potential?
Of course, I can see that.
All these skills right here, you have to match it with the corresponding industries over there. You got all correct.
Oh,
Does your CV show off your best self, or is it mid at best? If interviews are scarce, it might be a sign that you need a refresh. Welcome to Job Descriptions 101, where we help you land that dream gig. We're better than here to get schooled on how to glow up your CV. Have you ever written a CV?
Yes, I have.
What do you put in your CV?
I usually put in my past achievements.
and then I have my skills, my experience, and also the certificates and diplomas that I achieved before.
In your personal opinion, do you think your CV/resume showcases your full potential?
Of course, I can see that.
I mean, in brief, yes. It shows what I can offer to the company or an industry I'm trying to work in.
Yeah, it does show what I have and my potential.
Are you up to play games?
Yes, I love to play games.
So this game is called Guess the Industry. So all these skills right here, you have to match it with the corresponding industries over there. And the results are in. Guess what? You got all correct. You got all correct.
Oh,
You got everything correct.
oh my God, that's a great.
You got everything right.
Girl,
You
okay,
got
that's
all
not bad.
5 industries right. That's so good. Which one do you prefer the most?
Sales and marketing,
Why is that?
because I love marketing. I study marketing and I love to make contents and everything.
Healthcare or hospitality?
I'll go for sales and marketing.
Oh,
I love to have my own marketing skills.
I'm interested in business
okay.
because I study finance in accounting, so which is aiming for the financial analysis and reporting.
Looks like our Gen Zs know their industries. But when job descriptions blur together, how can we make our CV or resume pop? So earlier, we saw that most of these jobs, they have the same basic skills and also the same requirements, almost as if it was copy and pasted. So, Jai Wen, be honest with me. Have you ever skipped touching up your CV or resume before applying for a job?
Actually, yes, I'm totally guilty for that. I mean, sometimes we just fire it off and hope for the best, right?
Honestly, girl, I don't blame you because I'm guilty of that too. Sorry, Aunty HR. But that's the thing that I wanted to ask you. Macam, why do we do this even though we know it's better if we don't do that?
Why? Because you're lazy, lor. If you guys don't put in the effort and you don't get what you want, then you don't blame. Customizing your resume is also not that difficult, right? You already have the base there on your resume. You just have to tweak a little bit. That's what we call innovation. We borrow somebody's idea, we tweak it a little bit and resell it out as if it's ours. How your resume look from application to application is also more or less the same. But however, that little 5% variation, that's where you change it. You don't have to change everything. Just little details only.
So, Aunty HR, I want to know, what is Gen Z's most common mistake when they're creating their CV/resume?
You guys do not know how to quantify your achievement properly.
What does that
What does
mean?
that mean?
That means putting numbers into your results. Like I give you for an example, let's say you tell me Gen Z, mostly they will say that, oh, I've done customer service before in a call center. Okay? I have do a very good job as a customer service. What does that mean? What does doing a very good job mean? A very good job to you doesn't mean it's a very good job to me, So I would rephrase it something like, I handle more than 50 customers' inquiries today, in which 80% of the inquiries are closed within 48 hours. You see, people can really see and imagine how good you are based on the data. Another common mistakes I feel that you guys like to use that 2-column resume.
Yep.
Right? Now, you guys need to understand that format resume is meant to be 1 page. It's not meant to be 2-3 pages. right? Because there's this particular column on the left that is always empty on page 2 and 3. So that is what I also feel, guys. You guys are not paying enough attention on the format of your resume too, on top of the content. Another issue would be also, the Gen Z are also not reading the job description. Right? You guys see the job title, digital marketing, and you just go for it. I always think the most important part is to know the job objective. Because when you know what you are hired for, then you will know what you need to do to get there.
Yeah, it's true.
Make sense? If you want to make your CV or resume stand out, here's how. Ensure your contact info, work experience, education, achievements, and awards are clear and current. If they are missing, employers won't know they exist. Highlight only your key skills and experiences. Cut unnecessary details. Use bullet points for clarity and keep it to a page or 2 max. Customize your CV for each job with keywords from the job description. Quantify your achievements and use strong action words. Lastly, update your CV every 6 months, even if you already have a job. These tweaks should boost its effectiveness and increase your chances of snagging an interview.